we're going to be going over composite functions. And so we have f of x is 2x equals minus 6 and g of x is 5x. We want f composed of g of 2. So the first thing that you have to do is you have to plug in the 2 into the g. So g of 2, or right there into that x, so that's 5 times 2, which is 10. Now that 10 has to go into the f. So you're going to have f of 10 is equal to 2 times 10 minus 6, which you can use a calculator, or you could do 20 minus 6, which is 14. So the final answer is 14. Okay, now the g composed of f of negative 3. So that means you're going to plug in the negative 3 into the f. So you have f of negative 3, which is equal to 2 times negative 3 minus 6. Again, you can use the calculator. So this is negative 6 minus 6, which is negative 12. Now that negative 12 has to go into the g. So g of negative 12, which is 5x, you're going to put 5 times negative 12. And 5 times negative 12 is negative 60. So that's your final answer. Okay. So we're going to do example 2. And look at the notation. This is f composed of g of 2. This is f composed of g of 3. So it's the same thing. So we got to calculate g of 3 first. G of 3 means I'm going to plug that 3 into that x. So 3 minus 3 is 0. And so now we got to put that 0 into that f. So f of 0 is going to be 2 times 0 plus 1, which is 0 plus 1 is 1. That would be your final answer. Now we're going to do g of f of negative 4. So we have to start with f of negative 4 first. So f of negative 4 is going to be 2 times negative 4 plus 1. You can use your calculator again, or you could just do it in your head. Negative 8 plus 1 is negative 7. And then that negative 7 has to go into the g. So it's going to be g of negative 7 is equal to negative 7 minus 3. So over here is g. So we're plugging it in here. So negative 7 minus 3 is negative 10. So again, you can use the calculator if you're not very good with signs, adding and subtracting signs. So we could do negative 7 minus 3, negative 10. Okay, good luck with today's lessons then.